The air, deep to center, off the top of the wall. He's going to be waved around and inside the park, home run. Swung on ground and left side, past the diving Buck Britton into left, and the Eastern Division will walk off with the win. High in the air, deep to left, away back, and there it goes! And there's the game. Deep to right, away back, off the top of the wall, and the running Phillies take it in 10.
He's got to get up and get back and get out of here! Game-winning home run!
Deep to left, way back, that one is gone! 38 home runs in a single season for Darin Ruf, the new home run king of Baseball Town.
Go on the sea.